Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'll show you how to knit this beautiful lace stitch pattern. You can use this pattern in your baby's blanket, baby's sweater, lady's sweater. See, this is the way it looks like. See, wrong side looks like this. Wrong side is all purl rows. You will purl all stitches for every wrong side rows. So this is only 12 rows repeat pattern, and you will need to cast 10 multiples of 10 and plus 1 extra stitch. We don't have edge stitch for this pattern, so this is 12 rows repeat pattern, and you will need to cast 10 multiples of 10 plus 1 extra stitch only. So let's begin. So for the demonstration I have 21 stitches on my needle, which is 10 plus 10 20 and plus 1 extra stitch 21. So row 1 right side. So row 1 right side, purl all stitches because this is right side. So knit your edge stitch. So knit the first stitch through the back loop and then purl all stitches. Row 2 wrong side, purl all stitches. Row 3 right side, purl all stitches. Row 4 wrong side, purl all stitches. Row 5 right side, your edge stitch, knit through the back loop and start the repeat from here. Knit 2, 1, 2, knit 2, knit 2 together, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, and then SSK and knit 3, 1, 2 and 3. That's the repeat from here to here. Knit 2 together, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, SSK and knit 3. Repeat that again. Knit 2 together, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, and then SSK and knit 2. Sorry, knit 3. 1, 2 and 3. Row 6 wrong side, purl all stitches. Row 7, your edge stitch, knit through the back loop, first stitch, knit through the back loop, and then start the repeat from here. Knit 1, knit 2 together, yarn over, knit 3, yarn over, knit 3, 1 2 3, yarn over, SSK, and knit 2. That's the repeat from here to here. Knit 1, knit 2 together, yarn over, knit 3, 1 2 3, yarn over, SSK, knit 2. Repeat that again. Knit 1, knit 2 together, yarn over, knit 3, 1 2 3, yarn over, and then SSK, knit 2, 1 2. Row 8, purl all stitches. Row 9, knit your edge stitch through, knit your first stitch. This is not the edge stitch, we don't have edge stitch for this pattern. So knit your first stitch through the back loop and start the repeat from here. Knit 2 together, yarn over, knit 5, 1 2 3 4 5, knit 5, yarn over, SSK, and then knit 1. That's the repeat from here to here. Knit 2 together, yarn over, knit 5, 1 2 3 4 5, yarn over, SSK, knit 1. Again, knit 2 together, yarn over, knit 5, 1 2 3 4 5, knit 5, yarn over, and then SSK, and knit 1. Row 10, purl all stitches. Row 11, knit all stitches. Row 12, last row, purl all stitches. So that's the repeat. We have done one repeat here. Now repeat these 12 rows, row 1 to row 12, over and over again until you reach your desired length. And after your few repeats, your pattern looks like this. So if you like this pattern, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. So I'll show you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.